Hello friends, welcome to another tutorial in machine learning and Python series. In this tutorial we are going to make a program to generate a random number out of ASCII characters of any desired length. So if this is something that interests you, then please keep watching. For this program we'll need to import a few modules, the first one being NumPy and the second one is random. And before we start using these modules, let me just tell you that the ASCII table consists of the characters such as space and all these special characters, brackets, numbers, alphabets and capitals. So everything which is basically there on the keyboard, or a character which can be inputted from a keyboard, is represented by the ASCII table, and all these characters, they have an equivalent decimal number. So what I wish to do is I wish to make an array of numbers ranging from 32 to 126. Reason being, the first character, which is the space, is assigned the number 32. From 0 to 31 no character is assigned in the ASCII table, so I'm going to make an array of numbers from 32 to 126 using NumPy, so which is pretty simple. Let me just create an array, np dot a range, and the starting point is 32, the ending point is 126, so I give 127, and the step size is 1. And if I print the type of L, and if I print L, we should be good to go. The type of this L is, it's a NumPy array, and it's an array of numbers ranging from 32 to 126. So this is the first step. And then if you select any random number from this array, you could use the random module random.choice. You could select any number L and store it in A. So you could print A now, and at the same time you could print CHR A, which means the ASCII equivalent of that number. So let's see what happens. So I have a random number selected, 85, from this list or from this array, and the equivalent of 85 is capital U. And if I run this again, it is going to select another number 96, which is the comma apostrophe S and then K. So every time you run this, it is going to select a random number. And I'm going to put this into a for loop, and everything becomes pretty simple from there on. So I ask the user to enter a password, length, and then I print that I pass this length to this string, and your n-digit long strong password including alphanumeric characters is. So I run this loop for n times, and for every iteration in this loop I select a random number and I print that random number in the same line. So let's run this program. So if I enter, let us say 12, so your 12-digit long strong password including alphanumeric character is this one. So this is how you can generate a strong password using this easy fun program. And I hope this tutorial was of help, and if you liked the content of this video, give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing. I'll see you around. Take care. Bye bye.